Uzozwa-ke ku-Facebook, who is copying who? Who is copying who? Who is copying who? Who is copying who? Are you copying me? Are you copying me? Am I copying you? Am I copying you? Who is copying who? Who is copying who? Uzozwa-ke ku-Facebook. Nkosi yami kuyoshona ilanga-ke bethi copying you, copying me, copying you, copying me. Athi ngipost. Anyway, on a serious note, I do feel like Uvuyo no Tirelo could make a lot of money together. Not that they need to, because they can make money separately. But I feel like this thing of them being put against each other can actually work for them. They could actually do very well, do business together. And if they could be matured about it. But I doubt that they like each other enough to do that. But they could make money together. And then all of those people that will be so invested in putting them against each other can just be lost in the internet because they have nothing else to do. If Tirelo and Vuyo started working together, there are so many people that will be lost in the internet because all they do is wake up in the morning. There's a group that goes and bullies one person, and then the other group goes and bullies the other. That's all they do. Okay. Anyway, you guys, let's see what they say about this one. Okay. The ladies look beautiful, though. The ladies look beautiful. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please like it before you're gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.